how to deactivate Messenger account. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply deactivate your Messenger account in just 1 minute. So firstly, open up Facebook on your phone, and then once you have Facebook opened up, simply click on the top right where you see three lines, and then after that scroll down. Now click on settings and privacy, and then after that click on settings, and then now from over here click on the top right where you see the search bar. So when you click over here, type in the search bar owner. Now when you type in owner over here, click on personal and account information. Now you will see this page come up. So over here you have the account ownership and control option. Simply click on that, and then after that wait for a few seconds. Now click on deactivation and deletion. Now that's going to take you over here. So now from over here you guys can simply click on continue to account deactivation, and then simply put in your password, and then both your Facebook and your Messenger accounts are both going to be deactivated. So that is how you guys can quickly disable your Messenger account in just 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.